Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drive Audi S5. Start by adjusting seat, mirrors, and steering wheel so you have a clear view and comfortable reach. Familiarize yourself with drive select, paddle shifters, and parking brake operation before moving. Practice smooth throttle, gentle braking, and gradual steering inputs in a safe area. I'll cover basic maneuvers, sport driving tips, and common mistakes to avoid while building confidence behind the wheel. Learn heel and toe downshifts and when to use paddle shifters for manual control. Also cover throttle modulation, weight transfer feel, and smooth lane changes. Use adaptive cruise and parking sensors wisely in traffic. We'll practice corner entry speed, apex selection, and safe exit techniques. I'll explain traction control settings, when to disengage, and how Quattro all-wheel drive affects handling in wet or icy conditions for confident, controlled driving. Focus on smooth inputs. Quick recommendation: if you like staying organized, consider leak-proof containers for meal prep as a handy companion to long drives. These containers seal tightly, stack neatly, and keep snacks fresh between stops. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Master steering feel, torque steer, and throttle response to fine-tune your inputs. Learn brake bias, ABS behavior, and emergency braking techniques for maximum control. Adjust suspension and drive select modes for comfort versus sport balance. I'll show how to use launch control responsibly, monitor tire wear, and read dashboard warnings. Practice parking assist and camera features, and understand maintenance cues to keep your Audi S5 reliable and enjoyable. Stay calm and patient while learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.